Ooh.
Yeah.
As soon as they see us, they took off.
No, because the car.
Look, even they are watching.
Hi.
Zoom in, babe.
I
Zoom
am.
in.
Yeah.
They come out to eat. And they really get up. Damn, I can't remember on that shit. It's so cool how they white tail. Come on, baby. Watch it. Another car. Step in, guys. Step in.
He's right there. Run.
That's yours.
Let go of my arm.
The guy you were hugging him. Yeah, just teddy bear.
You can't even see him on camera because he's blending in. Look.
Hey, man. I had to put on another shirt. I'm just worried about the
Right in front of you.
mosquitoes and shit.
Not even the mosquitoes.
Whoa.
Just the grass in general.
Is it? Leander doesn't see it.
There's a whole bunch of them down there. You see the brown, they blend in. See the brown? They blend right in. That's what you
Hello. He's hiding. Here. Yeah.
It may be good that I mean, I know they don't all probably. I don't mess with those two because they're getting older, but when they was like his age, I was to take everything out of their room, turn the light off. They go to sleep.
Ezekiel.
Old man Ezekiel, what's going on? Old man
Ezekiel.
Bugs.
Bugs. We're gonna get you. Yes. Red clay.
Freaking red ass ants too. What you gonna find a red ant?
No, don't play with those. Those are dangerous, honey.
As long as it's warm, I can handle it.
Honey,
When he brings his whole
what the heck is wrong with you? You hear this one? I know, I took one. I have.
When he brings his army, I have a problem.
Leander, do you hear this one?
As long as it's one ant,
Babe, I found water.
Leander know what I'm talking
Honey, I
about.
found water. Right there.
I'm telling her, if there's one ant, I can handle it. But if we see his nest,
Oh, hey, look at that.
No, red ants. You hear him? What the heck is wrong with him?
We're walking on this nest. We're just walking on a bunch of ants. Not fire ants, of course. But
That's.
no,
I told you water.
oh, yeah, we're definitely not going that way. There's a path, but it's obviously blocked. Leanna, come on, go take a bath.
Come on. Relax.
Go fish for food in your natural habitat.
he's just darting around. They got little fish in there.
Look for a frog.
Moving around, look. See him? Right there. The little fish.
Come, this way. Come, I'll hold your hand. Go, the log.
Oh, on the log.
Yeah, on the log. Go, baby.
Wow, Ezekiel chose the hard way.
Sorry.
Meanwhile,
I got push you off there.
If you fall,
if I fell, that would have been funny.
I would
You
definitely.
know how perfect this spot is to come out here during a time of the
Ezekiel, don't do it.
Oh no, I'm not jumping in. I just don't want to see.
Probably little guppies. It's probably little guppies inside.
There's something flying around. Let's just get a bee or not. I'm a little bit too terrified to check if that's a bee.
Bug stuff.
I already heard of bugs.
Andre, there's a calf up ahead. Like,
Don't the fish eat the mosquito water?
I don't know. What's
I was
this
hoping
here?
I saw a crayfish.
There's a thing going through the field. I'm not going straight to the forest.
Why are you screaming? Is that a deer? Okay, I'll go for it. Yeah, no. Mm-hmm. There's more water. Yeah? No, right there. It's more water. That's probably somebody's house down there. I'm not going past it. Tell him to stop screaming. Oh. We could never take him with us when we're trying to freaking... No, I know. I'm looking at it. Yeah.
I just want to go over there.
I know, me too. You're like me. You're just like me. Like, it looks interesting. Why not? Yeah, you're just like me.
Taking pictures. Okay.
Oh, you can step on it, puppy. Come. You want me to take a photo of you? Come, let me take a quick photo. Look at me. You blend right in. You got the green. The water's cold. Yeah, it's cold.
That's the clean water.
Look, it's cold.
All this water is kind of clean.
It's cold.
More clean than the river.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Because their intestines filters out all the grime.
Uh-huh. Yeah, without them, they're so scared. No, I was saying that this right here was probably one of those military things. Right? Yo, the zombies and people will find us with those two. You want to climb up there? Let me see. Oh, look,
Look, a
mushroom.
mushroom. Don't step on
No,
it.
I wasn't gonna step on it. I didn't mean to kick it so hard.
We're gonna puff up and then we're gonna have to run.
Why? What do you mean, puff up?
Some mushrooms, they puff.
Yeah.
Like they literally puff out stories. Literally.
Ew. I want to climb, but I got the camera. You climb. Climb sideways. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Sideways, sideways. You really was going to hold on to the little vine? You fucking ass.
The tree literally saved me. I grabbed it.
Look, they're leaving us. Mine's this way.
Mm-hmm.
They left us.
I grabbed the tree. You're sitting.
Ay. It smells so nice right there. Wow, that's nice.
But I've done one thing.
I told your brother. Go on the rocks, not the log, puppy. Right here, right here. No, 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 right here. Oh my God. He said, I gotta go fast.
It's fun.
I know. It's like doing the city challenge. Mm. Yeah, I know. I see. Wait, carajo. Get it, get it, get it, get it. That's exercise right there. You did good, puppy. Oh my goodness. Family up there. They're coming, they're coming, they're coming. Look up. Look up, look up. They're right there. Call them, call them. Hello. Cyclists. To the right. you finding? Oh, the snail.
It's like a caterpillar or a centipede or something.
It's a caterpillar.
No. I just picked him up. Zeke was scared. Daggone thing.
It doesn't do nothing, puppy. It's
Oh
like
no, no, it's alive.
He looked like he's alive, but he's not gonna be around for long. That's what he looks like to me. Something's wrong with him. Because why would he be in the middle of the road? Birds eat him.
Yeah.
That's like a grub.
Yeah, like a grub.
That's wrong. Don't make the drop where he belongs. Alright, continue on. Basically, yeah, just over. What? Basically, just like the fishing game thing. This game allows
Like that. And go set. Then you take off. Ready? Got it?
Damn, he hit himself.
Come on. Get set. Keep your butt up. Go.
Go, Leander, go! Go, Leander, go! 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 Leander, go! Hey! Yeah. Nice.